future belongs to those who believes in the beauty of their dreams. Today, we, the faculties and staff at Sir M. Vishveshwaraya Institute of Management and SWIMS Business School extend our hearty welcome for the convocation ceremony of batch 2020-22. Today, the occasion is to celebrate the academic achievement of our students and honor their hard work and dedication.
We welcome our chief guest for the occasion, Dr. Vinita Pimple, Vice Principal of R.A. Poddar College of Commerce and Economics, our Honorable Trustee President, Mr. Parthasarathi Naik Sir, our NKS Trustee members, Anant Banwasi Sir, Padmaja Ma'am, and our beloved Director, Dr. Purushottam Patil, our Academic Dean, Dr. Vasumati Hariharan Ma'am, our NKS Trustee member, Vinit Joshi Sir, and my fellow colleagues and our students and their family members. Today, the occasion is to celebrate the academic achievements of our students and honor their hard work. Now, we begin the ceremony with the prayer song, a symbolic gesture that represents the illumination of knowledge and the dispelling of darkness. Let us take a moment to reflect on the importance of education and the role to play in shaping our lives and society we live in. So I request everyone to please stand up for the prayer song.
Dear Director, Dr. Purushottam Patil Sir, to please come on the dais and enlighten us on the occasion.
Wishing each one present here a very good evening. Before we start our proceedings, I would request our members of our SWIMS team to ensure that the students are seated at their place and nobody whatsoever is having a talk or disturbance when we are having this very auspicious and very important ceremony that all of us have gathered here for. Thank you. Honorable Trustees, President, National Kannada Education Society, Shri Parthasarathi Naik Sir, Honorable Secretaries, NKE Society, Padmaja Madam, Shri Joshi Sir, esteemed Trustee Member Anand Banwasi Sir, our Honorable Chief Guest for this very important event for today, the convocation ceremony, Professor Pimple Madam, Vice Principal Poddar College, my learned faculty members and non-teaching staff, the students, the brilliant minds who have gathered here for receiving their degrees, the award ceremony for the postgraduate degrees that will be conferred upon you after successfully completing your program, the 2 years master's program with us, and most importantly, the parents who have trusted our organization. It's a great opportunity for me, it's an honor for me to welcome each one of you for this most memorable, milestone event that we call for our institution. Few minutes back, we were at our institution celebrating our Founders' Day. It was our 84th Founders' Day that we were celebrating. The eminent dignitaries, the brilliant minds who have made possible this particular great NKE society and its various institutions, building them, consistently making them progress every day, at each passing day. We have remembered them, we have expressed our sincere gratitude towards their contributions. The following event that we are witnessing just now, the convocation ceremony for the 2022 batch of our PGDM and MMS programs, it's a very important juncture, it's a very important coincidence that we will have at this particular point of time. We have seen last 2 years, before that, to be more precise, the convocation that we have attended was absolutely online convocation that we have seen. This particular year, this convocation ceremony, our management has been modest, has been kind enough to approve our request to have this convocation ceremony at an outside location. So, to make it more enjoyable, to make it more memorable for each one of you who will be awarded these degrees today, we, on behalf of SWIMS Business School and Sir M. Vishweshwaraya Institute of Management Studies and Research, we take this opportunity to thank each one of you for trusting our institution, your parents for trusting our institution, having faith in our institution, into our capabilities, into being part on your journey towards successful careers. It's a great moment for us to you having faith into us and trusting our organization for your master's degrees. This year has been a very successful year for us. I would like to mention a very important milestone for our organization. In fact, few milestones also. The placements that we have seen this year for the 21-23 batch, that has again been a milestone for our organization, the organization which you will always be part of. Our student, she was been offered a remuneration at London Stock Exchange Group at a level of 18.97 lakhs per annum package. That's been a milestone event for our institution, the institution which you belong to. Now, when we talk about this particular achievement, it should not be seen as just as a benchmark for placements. But then there has been so many efforts, so many minds that have gone into building those students, getting networked with the organizations outside, and ensuring that our student passing those interview rounds and ultimately gets selected into those particular companies. I believe you can understand all these difficulties that we are having. But that's what has been the journey, and that's what we called NKE Society's SWIMS Business School and Sir M. Vishweshwaraya Institute of Management Studies. We are not satisfied with our earlier achievements. We want to challenge our limits. We want to ensure that each passing year has to be far better than its before. And there have been several such achievements, memorable achievements with our organization. And I believe we are going to climb much higher with all of your contribution and cooperation to the institute. Getting into a postgraduate program, especially the business management program, particularly PGDM or MMS that we have, our parents, when they are trusting us, when we are taking admission, it's like, I have a dream, I want to see my son or daughter take a best possible job and start a best possible career. I believe that's the dream of every parent when he is taking admission for his ward. For us as students, we understand that the first break is very, very important for us. Making ourselves most preferred for the company that side, for the best possible job, for the best possible profile. I believe during this particular 2 years journey of yours, we have been able to address all these queries with the best possible commitment from your side. I take this opportunity once again to express my gratitude to yourself, all the convocation students who are assembled here, eagerly waiting to be awarded for their degrees, and their parents, for keeping the faith into our organizations, into our capabilities. We want you to continue trusting our organization. We look forward for your contribution for our organization in making it much, much bigger and greater by every year from now. And at the same time, I personally understand that completing the 2 years program is not the only thing that we should be looking out for. Our relationships, our association, our collaboration actually starts from there. We are going to have our relations, our associations much, much better and bigger from now onwards. Yes or no, everybody? So with this great thought and with this optimistic thought, I wish you all heartiest congratulations from our side for being awarded this one of the most sought after qualifications, PGDM and MMS program that we have, the qualifications that we have. And I look forward for your continued cooperation and support for the organization taking it forward. Thank you very much. Have a nice time.
Thank you so much, Director Sir, for updating us about the current situation of our organization and also motivating us at the same time.
Now, I would request our Honorable NKS President, Mr. Parthasarathi Naik, sir, to please come on the dais and share a few words.
Good evening, children. I'll start with a small prayer for all the gurus who have helped you to become a graduate. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Respected Pimple Madam, very thank you for coming and gracing the occasion. My fellow trustees and district. And I would specially request, I am very happy to see so many parents attending this year. Thank you parents for coming and gracing the occasion. I am very grateful to all of you all for coming and gracing the occasion of seeing your students coming out with pride in this school. And a special thanks to all the students who have come here. All of you all are working very hard, I am sure. And now, since you are in the corporate world, you must be experiencing the tough thing, what is happening in the tough world. Am I right? Is it tough? You all are going through the whole thing. It was very nice in the college, 10th standard, 11th standard, मजा किया, 12th मजा किया. थोड़ा सा मैनेजमेंट में पढ़ा, वो भी ऑफलाइन पढ़ा, ऑनलाइन पढ़ा. But now, in the corporate world, you are definitely doing a job which is very difficult. And what I would advise all of you all is, see the corporate world where you are going, after you are doing very hard, you are doing very work, it is like a sea full of sharks. तुम लोग तो अभी छोटा मछली है, okay? And there are sharks going around in this whole sea. So how to navigate in this sea of sharks is the most important thing. So for this, I would give you a simple mantra. 3 things you must have in life always: sincerity, honesty, and hard work. If you have these 3 things in life, sincerity, hard work, and honesty, you will get a kind of a kavach, a covering, a shield. So none of these sharks can come and bite you. You will navigate very well, and I'm sure with the training what you have received from our excellent faculty, Dr. Purushottam, Mrs. Vasumati, and all of them, you will be able to take up any challenge in the corporate world. And I'm sure in the next few years, many of you will be a CEO, a corporate leader, or a group president. And there's nothing impossible for you all. Okay? And what I would like to remind you all is, you're the next generation. Azadi ka Maharotsav. 75 years ho gaya. We are going to achieve 5 trillion. In the next 25 years, I have to achieve 15 to 20 trillion. That entire thing is in your hands. You are the future. So you are going to do the next 15 to 20 trillion. So you have to gear up for this. So for this particular thing, what I would request, dream big. If you dream big, you will achieve. What is important is, don't dream small. You must all dream big. And how you will achieve it? What you should have is the firm belief. If you believe you can do it, you will reach the top. So have two important things in life: big dreams and the belief that you can reach it, and all of you all will come out successfully. So that is very important. Have the belief. Belief is important. Once you have the belief, you will achieve it. Okay, if you don't have the belief, you will never achieve anything. You cannot even walk down the staircase. So have the belief. What is important is belief. And when you achieve the top of entire career, take 2 minutes, one, to thank your parents, thank God, and to thank all these wonderful teachers who have shaped your future. Please remember, these are the teachers who have taken every effort to train you all and make you all what you are today. They have undergone living their own corporate careers because they have a passion to teach you all. They could have gone up the corporate leader. All of them are PhD doctors. They could have done anything, but what have they done? They wanted to mold you all, and that is precisely what they have done. Left all the corporate years and come here with their passion to teach you all. So if you are going to achieve anything, please remember, you have to thank them, your parents and God. This is very important, and you're on the threshold of a very important thing. Congratulations to all of you all, and I'm sure all of you will do very well. And one more last thing I will tell you, when you achieve the peak of the career, again you have to come back and give back to the society same thing, isn't it? You have to give back to the society, and before that, please act as a brand ambassador for SWIMS. Sir Vishwesharaya, please bring us students, see the institute, okay, bring us students so that our institution can also go, and it can grow only when you are my brand ambassadors, okay? So all of you all have to work very hard, and I am sure each and every one is going to reach the top of the ladder, and for that, you have to dream big, okay? Please dream big, and you will achieve it with the belief. Okay, and finally, I would like to close this with simple thing. When you are reaching the top, please try to give back to the society whatever you have achieved partly. You know, what is the simple for that? Why we should give back to the society? Why? Is it not your duty to give back to the society once you achieve something? No? You have to give back, isn't it? So that is very important. You have to give back to the society what you have achieved. So please remember, and all the best to all the students, and a special thanks once again to the parents for gracing this occasion. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Partha sir. Actually, conceive, believe, and achieve. This is the idea. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Now, I would like to request Dr. Kavita Chakravarti, ma'am, to introduce the chief guest on the occasion, Dr. Vinita, to all of us. You would know what a great guest you have got for the day. So have a good round of applause for her.
It's my privilege to introduce the distinguished chief guest for the occasion, Dr. Vinima Pimple. Currently, she is serving as a Vice Principal of R.A. Poddar College of Commerce and Economics. Dr. Vinita is a renowned academician and researcher who has made significant contribution in the field of education. She has completed her PhD from SNDT Women's University in 2008, and hence, since she has been actively involved in academic research. She has been awarded by Mumbai University for her minor research project in 2011-12, also 2016 and 17, recognizing her outstanding work. As a PhD guide cum supervisor in Mumbai University, she has guided 5 research scholars and have 5 more currently registered with her. She has also guided more than 300 postgraduate students for their project work, making her an exceptional mentor. Dr. Vinita has a wide range of academic experience, having served in various institutions like Poddar College, Sri Chennai College of Commerce and University of Mumbai, St. Francis Institute of Management and Research, and many. She has also presented 18 research papers in seminars and conferences and also published 50 research articles in UGC-approved journals. She has also published 2 books, Medical Tourism, published by Lakshmi Book Publication, and Lifestyle Pattern and its Impact on Nutrition and Diet on College Students. Her expertise in the field has been recognized, and she has been invited as a resource person and chief guest in international and national conferences, various intercollegiate events and seminars. She is the Board of Studies members in various colleges in the subject of commerce and management. We are honored to have Dr. Vinita Pimpale as our chief guest today and look forward to hear her valuable insights and academic and research. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Dr. Kavita. Hope children will cherish this occasion, getting their degree in the presence of such great personality. So now, I would like to request our esteemed trustee, Anand Banwasi sir, to kindly felicitate our guest of honor, Dr. Vinita Pimple ma'am. Why the energy is so low? Let me hear the big round of applause, all of you. You are the future. Come on. Show your energy. Thank you so much, sir. Now it's a time for the day's event. We are now going to initiate your convocation ceremony. First, the degrees will be awarded. The degrees will be awarded to PGDM students and then to MMS students. We would like to award those students who have shown meritorious performance, excellence in their academics. Bettina Belfa. Miss Ankita Bed. Why so clumsy? Clap! This is your class. Let me see how much energy your batch was having with them. Ankita. Divya Bhushan Chaudhary. Mr. Hitesh Chavan. Samiksha Chavan. Ms. Kinjal Gosrani, अजय गुप्ता, अजय गुप्ता, मिस कोमल जायसवाल, मिस्टर अमित कुमार झा, मिस्टर अमित कुमार झा, मिस स्वप्ना जोरापुर, मिस्टर विनय कंडा कटला, स्वप्ना, मिस्टर विनय कंडा कटला is gone. Miss Swapna Prajapati, Mr. Jay Panchal, Vinita Patil, Miss Neha Prajapati, Mr. Ravi Pal, Manali Rasam, Manali Rasam, Prajapati Neha, please go. Manali Rasam, done. Tapaswini G Reddy, Payal Saluke, Miss Kajal Singh, Mr. Shrikant Sangle, Mr. Nandan Shettigar, Miss Manali Shetye, Mr. Shubham Singhwan, Mr. Rahul Shingare, Mr. Siddharth Shingare, Miss Kusum Shirodkar, Rahul Shingare done. Chandrika Shukla, Sameer Singh, Shikha Singh, Sanidhya Swarna, Amit Upadhyay, Amit Upadhyay, Miss Sanjana Varlikar, Miss Sonam Yadav. Thank you so much. Now is the time for MMS students.
Let's clap for our PGDM batch 2022. So now we start off with MMS batch 2022. Okay. You're not supposed to remove your hat. Please be seated. Everything it is covered in live. I think NKS Swim's website. You all can use that link and subscribe also. Okay. Let's start with our award. Petina Belfa. No, 1 minute, sorry. We'll start with, okay, Renuka Bansode. She's working as a manager in L&T Financial Services. Clap for her. Next, Sonal Borse, working as an associate manager at Atos. Next, Arya Burde, she's working as an HR associate in Accenture. Vijay Cheraboina. Next, Apeksha Goregaonkar. She is working as a finance associate at Centel. Everyone, yes, you're supposed to clap. Anjali Gosai, HR executive with Eagle Bergman India Private Limited. Yatnesh Ingle, associate manager at Atos. Akanksha Jadhav as deputy manager at ICICI Bank. Next, Akshay Jagtap as an associate manager at Atos. Vinay Jain as marketing startup. He has his own startup. Next we have Jyoti Kadlak from HR. What is NSCIT? With NSCIT. Ashish Vibhavri, okay. Vibhavri Kamble working as an assistant manager at Kotak Mahindra Bank. Suraj Kapse working as a senior trade executive at Torque. Sriniket Kot working as an associate with Global. Shruti Mengane working as an accounts executive, Panorama Studies. Next, Priyesh Moite working as an associate in Morningstar. Students, please clap for all of them. You need to clap for your own efforts. Soumya Nadar, Assistant Manager in Reality Clarity. Stajina Nadar working as a corporate action in Atos. Apeksha Nivate working as a SAP trainee at Delphi. Anjali Fanse working as business analyst at Innover. Sangam Prajapati working as a finance associate, Global Financial Services Private Limited. Next is Praveen Sanap working as management trainee at Vandana Realty. Pranav Saraya working as marketing executive at Rendered Ideas. Next, Neha Shelke working as finance associate at Atos Centel. Srishti Shetty working as associate at Atos Centel. Komal Shinde working as an assistant manager at Anand Rathi Share and Stock Broker Limited. Yojana Shinde working as an HR assistant at Whatever Works Tech Private Limited. Next is Sanjota Sherkar working as an accounts executive, FEM Construction India Private Limited. Sharat Sonavne working as KPO associate at State Street Central Private Limited. Okay, next is Ashish Kamble working as an associate, State Street Central Services Private Limited.
Thank you so much. All the convocating students, kindly take your places, please. It's a time to announce certain awards. So Dr. Kavita is announcing those awards. You are requested to be here immediately. And big round of applause for each and every announcements.
Now, the most awaited awards, Certificate of Excellence, which is given to students to recognize the students' meritorious performance in academic year batch 2022 as per their specialization. So, from PGDM Marketing, any guesses? Certificate of Excellence, PGDM Marketing. Come on. Rightly said, it is Tapaswini Reddy.
A big round of applause. Let us know how much energy your batch was carrying with all of you. A big round of applause for Tapaswini.
She deserves a better clapping. Please, everyone clap for her. Now next. Next guess is for PGDM operations. Come on. Any guesses? Come on. Who? Samir Singh, please come on stage.
Why no claps? A big round of applause. Each and every milestone counts.
Now next for IT, PGDM, come on, IT students. Bettina Belfa. Come on, clap all of you.
Come on, clap. MMS.
Now, next is from HRM. Any guesses from HRM? Swapna Zorapur. Now, last but not the least, PGDM Finance. Any guesses? Come on, guys. Yes, who? More guesses? Kenjal Gosrani. Now it is MMS batch 2022. Let's start with marketing. Any guesses? Come on, marketing. MMS students from marketing. No. Who else? You'll get chocolate if you say proper. Go on, Apollo. Come on. MMS marketing. Come on, marketing students. Vinay Jain. A big round of applause. Next from MMS HR students. Come on, tell me. Who should be the one? Anjali Gosain. Next, MMS IT. IT, come on. Pranav Saraya. Right guesses. Now, last but not the least, MMS Finance. No.
It's a wrong guess.
Sangam Prajapati.
Thank you. Now, as we know, all the journey begins with one single step. All of you have taken the step to commit for doing your management degree and diploma, and now you are in a positions in the organizations, and you are looking forward for bright future. But there are students who have taken the single step, and now they are in a position where we feel that they are actually very promising and they will definitely do something. This is an award. This is the time to announce the Light of Swims Award. This award is to be given to two students, one from PGDM and one from MMS, who have shown all the possibilities of great management leader ahead. And for giving those awards, I do not want you to stop your claps, because it is the time when you all can say that yes, we have achieved it and we have somebody who is going to do it far, far better.
So now, any guesses from PGDM? Who should be given the Light of Swims Award? Come on, PGDM. Any other guesses? Any other guesses? Come on, fast. It is Tapaswini Reddy. Give her a round of applause. Now from MMS batch 2022. Come on, tell me who should be given this Light of Swims Award? Any other guesses? None other than Priyesh Mohite. Come on stage.
A big congratulations to all the winners. All of you are the winners. So let us applaud for ourselves. Now, there is one very important ceremony which always happens in convocation, which is oath-taking ceremony. Swearing an oath reminds a student of their professional responsibility, which is to acquire, to disseminate, and generate new knowledge, and their commitment to human welfare. This is an important responsibility for which I would like to invite Dr. Vasumati Hariharan, who is a Dean Academics, to initiate the oath ceremony and also request all the students of convocation batch to put their right hand forward, stand on their position, and put their right hand forward for taking the oath. Stand up, all of you, kindly, and put your right hand in front. Kindly repeat after me.
Good evening, everyone. Are you ready? Yeah, so I'll be very slow. You can repeat with me. When you are repeating, please understand the meaning. It's very important for you all to listen to whatever is being said and to follow it also. Okay? Right. Thank you. We, the graduates, hereby pledge that we shall, in thought, word, and deed, endeavor to be scrupulously honest in the discharge of our duties as executives, that in all circumstances we shall uphold the dignity and integrity of our profession and the honor of our institute and the nation, and that we shall devote all our energies to promote the unity and secular ideal of our country and utilize our knowledge of management science in the service of our motherland and the humanity ultimately. Thank you. Wish you all the best.
Thank you so much, Dr. Vasumati. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Now, our dignitaries, I request our dignitaries to please take your seats. deliver the convocation address. We look forward to hear your insights and perspectives on education and its impact on society. Please, ma'am.
Good evening, one and all here. So you're all happy. I can see your smiling faces and smiling eyes. Okay? Getting a degree is something beyond ourselves. When we look at the degree certificate itself, we feel a sense of achievement that we have done something in our life. Okay? Not. Okay. Okay, thank you. Good evening, people on the dais and off the dais, honorable members of the dais and on the dais, both of them. I congratulate all of you for being a postgraduate today. You are not just a graduate, but a postgraduate today. And looking at your smiling faces have made me go back to my days, when I did my graduation and when I did my post-graduation. So that's what is a dream for everybody. So you have fulfilled your dreams and your parents' aspiration. Your parents have worked hard for you to be where you are today. And so I would say you are a medium in which giving happiness to your parents that my child is a postgraduate today. You are all working somewhere or the other where if you look at it, you have carried with the image of your college, image of your institute. And that is why I always tell students that you are a brand ambassador. We do not require good placement people or officers and a big placement office. But what we require is our students going back, working honestly, with discipline. That gives an image to the institution. And that's what every institution is looking at, a brand ambassador who will give back a good image to the college. When you look at India itself, the entire world is looking at India today, is it not? We are the youngest population. We have the best economy which is going on. So we are recognized not only for our country, but also the culture which we have, the values which we have. During my graduation, people used to talk about India being a country of snake charmers. But you people today do not have that attributes. Today when you talk about I come from India or I'm Indian, those attributes differ today. Today you are a part of the most, I would say, a new, innovative, democratically well-stabilized society. That's what is India today. So you have got a different picture, and you are the ones who are going to carry that picture, that dream, that knowledge, that technology to the world around. And that's great actually to know that you are a part of the young India. Today when we talk about economic power, we talk about social power, what more is important is the youth power which India has, which no other country in the world has. If you look at the youth power, all right, but along with that we have a growing and a developing middle class also. So all that put together is making our economy a faster economy than what it was today. When you look at the 21st century, you will talk about innovations, there are Indians there. You're talking about CEOs, there are Indians there. When you're talking about technology, there are Indians there. When we are talking about culture, there is Indians there. We are teaching the world peace. We are teaching the world yoga. So if you look at it all together, you will find more Indians teaching the world. But who has taught these Indians? These institutions have taught these Indians to teach the world that we are carrying with us our values, our, let's say, our knowledge which is there. I always tell my students that today we do have lot of malpractices going on. lot of dishonesty going on. You have to stay away from all these practices. You have to see to it that you are disciplined, you are practicing honestly, and you are doing your work honestly. If you look around businesses, when you look around your workplace, when you look around even the environment, all these are, I would say, there's a lot of malpractices going on. So the best way to give back to the society would be reducing those malpractices. Today I always say greed has become fashionable. So instead of following this fashion of greed or riding the high horse, it is slowly and steadily which wins the race. So you people today are going to take with you our culture, our diverse nature, and do good things for the society. And that would be the learning which is there will be a great asset for you to develop. I always say, when my students come back and then tell me, Madam, sab kaam maine kiya aur mera boss ne sab benefits le liya. I prepared the PPT, I prepared the project, and my boss came in and presented it to his superiors. So he has taken away all my work. I would like to tell you, nobody can take away your work. At one end, they can show you your project to somebody else, but when it comes to explaining, your learning, your knowledge is not taken away. So don't get scared that somebody will, in this competitive world, will take away, grab away my place. Nobody can do that. Your knowledge, your learning cannot be grabbed by anybody. At one moment you may feel you are losing, but that doesn't mean that you are losing the entire, because that learning, that knowledge is yours. Nobody can grab that particular thing. So I always appeal to the young graduates that the future is yours. If the future is yours, why are you scared to put your leg into the sea or swim into the sea which is there? I would like to thank the organizers, the trustees for calling me today. This was the first time I have come for a convocation ceremony as a chief guest. Till now, my role was to have exams. The students used to give their exams, give their mark sheets, send those mark sheets to the university, get a convocation certificate. So my role till now was as a controller of examination, only assessing and evaluating students. But today here, I would like to thank all of you to be here listening to me and the trustees on the dais, that I was called here as a chief guest to give your convocation degrees and see those lovely smiles on your face. I always say that you can see the values and culture in the eyes of our students. So that's what I saw here when I was here. I always urge students to be hardworking. The most important thing is hardworking. At this moment, you may feel that I'm getting less than the others who are there. Why should I put in so much effort? Because my boss is going to take away all my project work and my work which I have done. But that hard work which you have put in, the learning which you have done, will never be taken from you. So I wish you all best luck and thank you for listening to me. There's a small quote which I normally give, and I give it to all my students. I like reading poems. So I read poems of Vrinda Karandikar. Okay? So the last two lines which I love and which my parents have been telling me all their life, I'll just tell those last two lines which are there. He's written a poem, Gheta. It's in Marathi. Gheta means giving, taking. So I'll just read those two lines which are there, and I would want you to follow those lines all your life. देणाऱ्याने देत जावे, देणाऱ्याने देत जावे, घेणाऱ्याने घेत जावे, देणाऱ्याने देत जावे, घेणाऱ्याने घेत जावे, घेता घेता एक दिवस देणाऱ्याचे हातही घ्यावे. This is what we would like you to all be, to give back to your society. One day you have got education, now it's your role to give back to the society what you have learned from your institution. Okay? Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Best wishes.